Hi, everyone is talking about AI tools, but most of the people using them wrong way. Today I'm starting a new series of Claude AI. In this video, you will be able to learn Claude AI tool from beginner to advanced level. In this first video, we will explore the Claude AI tool, what you will get on landing page, what all points you will get on Claude AI interface. And in the next video, I will show you exactly how we can use it step by step. So watch till the end. So this is the basic overview of Claude AI tool. Search Claude on Google Chrome. Once you search, you will land it to this Claude.ai. You have to click on it. You will land it to this page. This is the front landing page of Claude AI. Here you will see multiple options are there. Left side there is a Claude logo and name is there. There are multiple options we have. First one is a meet Claude. We have a product details like Claude code and Claude cover. And if you see, there are features available for the Claude for Chrome, Claude for Excel, Claude for PowerPoint, Word, Stack, and multiple skills. Also, we have a modules available here. Like there are three total modules. One is a Opus, second one is a Sonnet, and third one is a Haiku. We have a platform option where we have a pricing and console login option available. Once you click on solution, there are the use cases like AI agents, coding, security department, again industries which we can use this Cloud AI, which is customer support, education, financial services, government, healthcare, life science, and non-profit organization. Here you can use this Cloud AI. Again, next is a pricing option. We have a API overview and pricing plans, which is free, pro, max, and team enterprises. Once you click on resources, you will see the blog, customer stories, and anthropic news in insights. If you want to learn, then there are anthropic academy courses, tutorials, and use cases available. There are two connectors like tools we have. One is the connectors and second is the plugins. You can use it. If you want to contact to this, you can join this community and events we option we have for this Cloud AI. And next is a contact option and login and try Cloud. In login there is a Cloud.ai and one more option is available. You can use your Google account to log into this Cloud. Also there are option to download the desktop app. They have a desktop app for this. You can download it. Once you scroll down, there are plans available. So it's a paid one, free one. We have individual and teams and enterprises. In individual there are three total plans: free plan, pro plan, max plan. In free plan you don't have to pay anything. There is a $0 fee. It's a free one for everyone. And for pro plan it's a $17 fee for 1 month totally. And in max plan you can see we have a 20x more usage than pro model, and which is having $100 per month fee, which is for everyone. Again, there is a one feature which is no commitment. In all the three plans you have, like pro and max, you can cancel any plan anytime. There is no commitment option is updated here, like cancel anytime. You can see I have highlighted it. It's present in pro and max madam both model. And the feature we have in free model is chat on web, iOS, Android, and on your desktop. Like multiple we have, like write, edit, and create content. Again, analyze text and image. Again, you can see create files and execute code. There is a unlock more from Claude with the desktop extension. You can use it. Again, connect Stack and Google Workspace workstation. We have services like integrate any context or the tool through connector with a remote MCP. Again, last option is extended thinking for the complex problem or the work, which is having a free tier. Second one is a pro, which is having everything is free plan, plus we have a more usage of Cloud code, cowork, unlimited projects. We have access to research. Again, memory access, conservations, more Cloud models. We can use Cloud in Excel and Chrome. We can use it in pro plan, which is having a $17 monthly fee. In max plan you can see there is a 20x more usage than pro model, which is having a $100 monthly fee. And you can see whatever features we have free and pro plan, plus choose, like we can use to 20x more usage than pro model. Second is we can recommend for the Cloud code and cover. like higher output limits for all the tasks, early access to advanced cloud features, and priority access at high traffic time. Below you have a frequently asked questions, like first is what is Claude and how does it work. Once you click on it, you will see Claude is an artificial intelligence which is trained by Anthropic using constitutional AI to be safe, accurate, and secure, the trusted assistant for you to do your best work. What should I use Claude for? If you have any dream to achieve it as soon as possible, then you can ask any question to Claude AI. He will help you to achieve your dream or to complete your task or work as soon as possible. Claude AI is a very powerful AI tool which is we can do a brainstorm idea, generate text and code for you. It will help you to understand subject, coach, and through difficult situations and simplify your busy work to, so you can focus on what actually matters. Third question is how much does it cost to use. As we can see previously, like it's having a 5 pre-tl 5 plans, which is having a free, pro, max, and team and enterprise. Free plans offer limited use with no payment required. If you want to use extra features, then you can pay, and you can use a pro and max model. Yeah, this is all about Claude AI landing page. Once you click to Claude.ai, this is the page you will see first. And here is the option where you can use your Google account to log into this Claude AI. Also, you have a personal email address, you can use that as well, and you can use this Claude AI. So, in the next video, we will log in and we will explore all the features like prompts and use cases. If you want to actually learn this Claude AI tool step by step, don't forget to watch next video. This is the part 1. Part 2 is coming soon. Share with your friends and subscribe to Future Byte AI.